loaded up again, so taking that one back, push up the piles. Yeah, he's got the axle down already. Nice. A little bit. Ground squad, you're not working. Pretty good load. Gotta do some work on it though. I got right blinkers not working on there. All the running lights and everything else is working, but for some reason the right blinker quit. I think it's at the tracker though. Then I gotta put some spacers in between to hold that thing in the center and everything. Hold the platform in the center. But yeah, I'll get some more videos of that being done. I'm not sure. I was thinking about moving that. Lights, the warning lights off the tractor, the warning lights on the trailer, so when you turn one on, they all turn on, but I'm gonna wait on that. Take care of this other stuff first. Here's my driveway. Keeps it up until the second curve. I'll put it back down and go around the back. It's a decent climb. This part's gonna get the worst right here. I know videos never show the grade and stuff very good. It's worse in the front, but still I got brakes on that trailer, so it doesn't matter. Only on the back two axles, so. There's a platform there, flatbed platform. See what I'm saying about the cylinders going up? Sometimes compost gets in on that and it gets rammed down. Yeah, it likes to back up on the piles a lot. he doesn't have the RPMs up on it too much, so. Good. Pretty slick, huh? I think so. I'm very happy with the way it's working out. See what I was saying about the compost getting on that ram right there? When you put it down, it doesn't fall off. It just, you know, just gets rammed down, you know, pushed into the seal part. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. As it goes down farther, it gets faster, but yeah, it's just, you know, you would up the idle or you rev up the motor while you're bringing it down on power, it would bring it down a little bit faster. It brings it down even slower if you put it low, so. And there you go. Alright. Hope you like it. I do. God bless earlier than the last one. I don't know how I'll put these together and make them two different ones, but either way. Alright, thank you. God bless.